Fun with end.
I am going to demonstrate how to submit the assessment in Gyanyatra. So change in browse mode and press button B until you hear submit.
Q9 dot. Group and play button. Mute button heading level 4. Show more media controls.
Okay.
Q10 dot. Group and mute button heading level 4. Show more media controls. Submit button.
Submit button. So the assessment, while submitting assessment, we should answer all the questions. So now I am not answering the 8th and 10th question. So without answering any questions, if you submitting, it will show the pop-up. Just demonstrate. Press enter.
Alert. Clickable heading level 1 alert. Please answer question number 8 before proceeding. Dot. Button close.
Okay.
Close button. Button submit. Main landmark. Document. Q8 dot. I will cover the donkey with the tiger ticket skin and let him graze.
So the focus goes into the first unanswered questions. So question number 8. You can go to the unanswered question using the key. Change the blank mode and the press E.
Blank 2 in question 8 edit graze heading level 4.
Blank 2 in question 8.
Blank 3 in question 8 edit barley heading level 4.
Blank 3 in question 8.
Blank 4 in question 8 edit heading level 4.
Okay, blank 4. And press
Blank 4 in question 8 edit blank.
okay, I'm entering the answer.
SUNSET.
And change the browse mode. Again, you press the button B without the answering question number 10.
Q9 dot. Group and play. Mute button heading level. Show more media control. Q10 dot. Group and play button heading level 4. Mute button heading level 4. Show more media controls menu button submenu more options heading level 4.
Okay.
Submit button.
Submit button. Press enter.
Alert. Clickable heading level 1 alert. Please answer question number 10 before proceeding. Dot. Button close.
Okay. So press
close button.
Close. So
button submit. Main landmark document. Q10 dot. Grouping. Enter your answer edit multi-line blank.
So it will focus on the unanswered question. That is question number 10. Then here you can enter the answer. You can first listen the questions, audio questions, and answer it.
Show more media controls menu button submenu. Mute button heading level 4. Volume slider 100. Audio time scrubber slider lapse time. Play button heading level 4.
Play button. Press enter.
Pause.
Question number 2. She has many friends.
Okay, she has
Play.
Then change into browse mode and press E.
Enter your answer edit multi-line.
Okay, enter your answer.
Enter your answer edit multi-line blank.
Enter and enter your answer.
M words used colon 1/1 AN. Y.
Okay, then change the browser and press tab or press B to navigate in the submit button.
Many submit button.
Submit button. Press enter.
Your assessment has been submitted successfully. Dot alert close button. Maneuver and take as result. Navigation landmark list with 3 items visited. Link all assessment. Link all.
So assessment submitted successfully. So here you can able to see your result. You can press tab key or down arrow. I can press down arrow.
Visited link generate assessment.
Okay.
Out of list with 1 item visited link sign out. Out of list main landmark. Your assessment has been submitted successfully. Dot.
Button
close.
Close.
Heading level 2 assessment result.
Assessment results.
List with 14 items name colon.
14 items.
Manoharan. Email colon. Manoharan at yahoo.com.
Okay.
Course colon. English. Organization colon. Prishni Innovations. Grade colon. C2.
C2.
Max marks colon. 14.
14.
Marks obtained colon. 13.
Okay.
Out of list button view detailed report.
View detailed report. So here you can able to see your detailed report. Press enter.
Take as result navigation landmark list with 3 items visited link all assessment. Link all questions.
Okay, again press down arrow.
Out of list with 1 item visited link sign out. Out of list name colon. Email colon. Manoharan at yahoo.com. Grade colon. C2. Max marks colon. 14. Marks obtained colon. 13. Heading level 3 question breakdown header. Heading level 4 text question.
Text question.
Mark colon 1.
Mark colon 1.
Answer options list with 4 items most interesting.
Okay, most interesting.
Interesting. More interesting.
Okay.
Choose an answer correct answer.
Okay, choose an answer is a correct answer. So here you can able to see your answer and also the correct answer.
None of these. Choose an answer correct answer.
So choose an answer is the correct answer.
None of these. Out of list heading level 4 text question.
Yes, question.
Mark colon 1.
Mark colon 1.
Answer options list with 4 items father of earning.
Okay. So this father of earning.
Mother of invention.
Mother of invention.
Choose an answer correct answer.
So choose an answer is the correct answer.
Brother of imagination. Okay. Sister of crime. Out of list heading level 4 text question.
Okay, text question.
Mark colon 0.
Mark colon 0.
Answer options list with 4 items big.
Big.
Choose an answer.
Choose an answer.
Biggest.
biggest
Bigger. As big.
as big.
Correct answer. Out of list heading level 4 answer options list with 4 items. Correct answer. As big.
Correct answer is as big. So that's why this answer will get the mark is 0. So likewise, we can able to see the all the answers. Thank you.
Screen sharing.